Amidst a rising regional and national teacher shortage, Wilmington University works to build a pipeline of highly qualified teacher candidates. Our College of Education is nationally recognized and CAPE accredited. Our teacher prep programs are designed and taught by experienced educators and serve high-need areas, including elementary education, special education, math, and science. WilMU's wide range of education degrees provides pathways for both career starters and career changers to enter the workforce as qualified, licensed teachers. Students can also stack certificates that build to a master's degree. WilMU teachers gain hands-on experience through student teaching options, including classroom placements and our nationally recognized year-long residency program, resulting in classroom-ready teachers from day one. Did you know that more than 98% of WilMU graduates pass the praxis each year? Our teachers are praxis ready and benefit from individualized praxis support to increase their pass rates and get started teaching at your school. Students in our BS in Elementary Education program are eligible for WilMU's innovative Praxis for Credit program, which awards up to 19 credits for passing praxis exams. As the #1 most affordable, private, nonprofit university in the region, WilMU is committed to keeping education affordable. Our Aspiring Teacher Scholarship provides a reoccurring opportunity for students to save up to $7,000 on tuition costs. Wilmington University educates top teachers. In fact, 11 of the last 14 Delaware Teachers of the Year are WilMU graduates. Discover why WilMU works for tomorrow's teachers at wilmu.edu/education.